Yo, what is going on, Dank fam? I gotta make this video before we get into the edits just to let you guys know what's been going on for the past 2 weeks. I was riding non-stop, making daily content for you guys, and something happened in the lot. Basically, my buddy Dirty Right Foot was going straight. I was going straight with him. I went to make a U-turn and almost clipped him, so I jumped off the bike, and then the bike kind of ran my leg over and twisted my knee. So that put me out for about a week, and then after that week of being healed, I started to get sick, and I had like some really bad sinus infections, and it kind of like moved towards like my ears and everything else. So a whole week of being sick like that. I still had an event to go to in Texas, so I flew over Monday of last week to Texas, and as soon as I got off the plane, my ears never popped, and it was like 2 days straight of like 20% hearing, and then my sinus is still doing terrible. I was coughing up stuff. There's even one part where like I was eating chicken and it like came out my nose somehow, but I probably won't add that part into this video. Anyways, super sick the whole week, and then after I got back from Texas, I was starting to feel a little bit better. Still had some side effects, and then I went to Orlando and just pretty much rode the rest of my energy out, being half alive with my respiratory system. But super sick time of the winter vacation, and I got some big plans this week too, but I just want to get you guys caught up. I feel kind of like a spot in my heart's missing when I don't have time to upload and let you guys know what's going on, but we're back in full force. I'm definitely dead, as you guys probably see, but I'm gonna get some edits done, rest for a day or two, and then we're going out to the UK for the rock photo shoot. So stay tuned, people. Thanks for rocking with me, and keep you guys updated. Alrighty guys, the moment a lot of you guys have been waiting for. We got the seats back for the giveaway bike. Dude did a phenomenal job. I got a sneak peek at how they're looking. But now you guys are about to see. Oh man, he even got the purple wrap. All right, this is the rear seat. And the front seat, people. Front seat first. Oh my God, people. Look at this. Look at it, people. The guy who made these seats is Oldman Metalworks, and he's actually new to the seat building game. He's only done one other seat that I know of for an F4i, but I gave him my specs as far as what I wanted, and he nailed it, people. Look at this thing. So we got blue stitching at the top and then purple stitching at the bottom, and it's going to tie together the colors that we picked for the giveaway bike perfectly. But geez, people, I don't even know what to say. High density foam, so it's really nice and stiff, but still has some cushion. But just the ribbing and stuff like that he did is super nice, people. Finally, the rear seat, the bread and butter right here. Let's go ahead and rip this puppy open. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh. That is so professional, people. Dude, he killed this. This isn't even for my bike, man. I'm so sad. Wow. That is quality, people. What do you think, Mo? You like it? Yeah? It's good? Yeah. Mo approved. Wow. I mean, look at the staples and everything. He put in that work. All right, chill. Brian636 called me and ended my video, but we're back at it, people. I just want to give a big thank you to Jim Gales for going ahead and taking the time out of his day to do these seats for us. And like I said, people, he hasn't done a whole lot of custom seats, but the proof in the pudding would tell a different story. This guy is an animal with the seat builds. He's getting into seat building now himself, and with that being said, guys, you see what kind of work he does, so definitely hit him up if you guys are in the market. I'll put his Instagram right around here. And all I can say is these people in Pennsylvania, I got a guy to powder coat my frame over in Pennsylvania. They do quality work, man. I'm just super impressed with the people over there as far as all the services I've had done so far. But enough about these seats and unboxing them. I'm sure you guys want to know how you take a completely stock seat and turn it into a beautiful stunt seat like this. It's a lot of work, but Jim was able to film the whole entire process and even trim it up for me. That way we get straight to the point. And guys, it was super mesmerizing and amazing to see all the work that he put in on these seats from start to finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up with that, guys. But Hope you guys enjoy the seats so far. Check out my Patreon channel if you guys want to go ahead and see these seats get installed and the rest of the bike as well. And most importantly, join the Patreon team if you guys want your chance to win this bike as well, because I mean, as the parts come in, it's just getting sexier and sexier, people. I'm so pumped for you guys. Here's a video of how these puppies were made.
I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep